Remove the screen protective film from the Panda Knomi. Press down on the cover with the shell opener. This will allow the cover to be opened easily. Position the Panda Knomi and place it directly in the shell. Fit the back cover into place securely. Pass the power cable of the Panda Knomi through the hole on the print head. Install the cable clip. Secure the power cable. Insert the PTFE tube. Organize the cable with the cable organizer. Connect the power cable to the Panda Knomi. Install the Panda Knomi shell onto the print head. Plug in the power cable. Power on. Plug in the power cord. Plug in the USB cable. Scan the QR code to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot and access the web UI. Select your language and proceed to the Wi-Fi setup page. Choose the Wi-Fi network that the printer is on. Once connected, tap Binding to proceed to the printer interface where you will bind the printer. Tap Scan to find and select your printer. The scan could take up to 90 seconds. Find the access code on the printer. After scanning, select the printer you wish to connect to. Enter the access code, and tap Bind. A binding successful pop-up will confirm that the Panda Knomi has connected to the printer. Panda Knomi supports AP communication for easier web UI control. Modify the AP settings as required. Changes take effect without needing to restart the device. It automatically generates a new AP hotspot. How to calculate remaining available GIF size. The remaining storage space of Panda Knomi can be seen in the red box. Panda Knomi uses a 240x240 screen resolution. GIFs larger than this will not be fully displayed. Next is how to change the GIF size. Go to BT Wiki. Click the link and use the recommended tool to modify the GIF size. Click the Select Images button to choose a GIF, or drag and drop the GIF into the browser window. Make sure the Maintain Aspect Ratio box is checked. Change the larger parameter of width and height to no more than 240. If they are the same, change either one. Click the Resize Images button. Wait for the resizing to complete, then click the Download Resized Images button to download the resized GIF. Enter the theme interface. Open Preview mode. Click Preview to put Panda Knomi into preview mode, and the words Previewing will be displayed on the screen. Set the color of a single GIF. Click here to set the color of all GIFs. Tap to change the GIF. Tap to preview GIF. the IMG file, ideal for DIY customization. Go to the theme interface. You can choose how to display printing progress. 1. Percentage only, for a clear view of progress. 2. GIF only, visually represent printing activity. 3. Alternating percentage and GIFs every 10 seconds, for a dynamic display. Enter the official GitHub and search for Panda Knomi. Enter the Panda Knomi repository. Click here to select bin file. Update success.